Hey guys, good evening everyone. How are you all?
Good evening, Indrajit. We
Doing
are
sir.
fine. What about you?
Doing good. What's going on? All good?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good to know that. There is the energy. I'm not feeling that, what to say, positive energy. All are tired? Already tired?
No, Indrajit.
Yeah, then show some Josh, right?
Yes.
Cool, let's start, guys. We will start in 2-3 minutes. Let everyone join. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and ask your questions if you have anything related to any stuff. We will discuss that. Okay, and you were asking me the question yesterday, right? The guy who got placed, what was his domain and all? Who was asking me that question?
I asked Indrajit, Farhad.
Okay, Farhad. So Farhad, like, yeah, I took the class today in the morning and I had a word with that guy one-on-one. So he was working in non-tech previously. So now he got into Power Apps. He had few experience, a basic experience with Power BI. So after learning the course, he went into Power Platform now. Okay.
Got it. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. ठीक है guys. What else?
Sir, after completion of the complete Power Apps, which is the Canvas and model-driven app, I guess after that he have applied through, that particular
Correct,
job.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, he had applied after that itself. But ideally, he had put in then more hard work in learning Power Automate Cloud by himself. Ideally, you should starts applying once Power Automate Cloud module is over.
Okay. Okay.
So that will be 10 more sessions, 10 to 12 more sessions after model driven app. Okay. Because they will ask a lot of questions there and we will cover questions and scenarios as it is in the class for Power Automate Cloud. You don't have to worry much around that, but there will be a lot of questions from there.
So, Indrajit, that will be from December.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, how you can plan. You can plan by the end of this year. You will get comfortable with everything. And starting with the first week of January, you should start applying. Because
Yes.
anyway, in December, there will be no hiring, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Got it.
So this should be the simple and basic plan. Nothing much, nothing less. Sometimes when you have limited option, then that is the good thing, right? You are clear. You don't have anything to worry about. Now each one of you know there will be no hiring in December. So there is no point in discussing or doing something, right? So focus on your skills. Starting with the new year itself, start looking out.
Agreed, sir. 100%.
Cool. So guys, let me start the session. We will do work on it. And then obviously, like I will finish in 35 to 40 minutes because I want to give you more time to ask doubts because these are the preview sessions, right? And this is the second last preview session. Okay. So I will keep the content short, not only for 10-15 minutes, but I will cover substantial amount. But I will try to save at least 20 minutes for doubt session. And tomorrow will be the final preview class. And tomorrow we will decide like on which day you need Diwali holidays. Okay. For morning batch, I already figured out when they need holidays. For you also, we will figure out and we will see how it goes. Make sense? Or you don't need any Diwali holidays? Okay, what should I?
I need actually.
Okay,
Don't know about others.
okay, only Sapna need. Others are, what to say, very dedicated. They don't want to celebrate Diwali.
I think one day would be enough, Indrajit. That would be 20th, where the puja would be there. Rest we are okay. At least I am.
Yes. Even I was also thinking the same. I think 20th is enough. But on 21 also there is extended Diwali, right? So if someone has some celebration or something on 21st, that also we can do. So 2021 is the thing that I'm thinking of for now. But again, this season depends on the audience, what they want. Okay. So we will follow the democracy there. Whichever has the highest code, we will go ahead with that. Clear? In morning batch, it is different thing altogether, because even if Diwali is there, we can take class in the morning, right? So they want holiday on 21st, not on 20th. Cool. Fine, guys, let's get started without discussing further. Okay, recording is started and I am co-host. That's fine. Let me share my screen and let's get started with the process. Here you go. Guys, welcome back to KSR Datavision. We were working on Power Apps, and in Power Apps, we explicitly started with Canvas app. Yesterday, we decided about the data design. We implemented SharePoint site, and we implemented the SharePoint list. So today, we will be discussing about forms. What are forms in your Canvas app? I will be introducing you to the backbone of Power Apps, that is Power FX. Then we will be learning about something called as submit form. Before doing all this stuff, I will take it over from the previous session where we left. We created the data set. Today we will create the app, establish the relationship, and then we will try to complete all things that you are able to see in front of your screen. Cool. Just guys, quickly tell me how I can navigate to Canvas apps.
Make.powerapps.com.
Powerapp.com.
Very good. You guys are getting it.
From Azure portal also we can do that.
Azure portal?
Yeah, can we do that from Azure
No,
portal?
no.
No.
It should be make.powerapps.com. That's it.
Mhm.
Cool. Apps. Go to apps. Start with app template. Okay, my bad. Create. Start with blank canvas. I want to create tablet app. Getting things ready. So meanwhile, let's decide what should be the name of our app. What should be the name of our app, guys? IT support?
Yes.
That sounds
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
Cool. So first thing first, before saving the app, this is the blank canvas which got created. Now, what is your first step? Before creating anything, you have backend ready, you have front end in front of your screen. Now, what is the most important step that you have to do?
Naming the screens according to your.
Even before naming the screen, what is the main difference? Just try to close your eyes, try to memorize that diagram that we
We
built.
need to connect with the SharePoint.
Very good. You need to create connection between the front end and back end, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So how to make connection, guys? Tell me.
By adding the edit forms.
You
Some
either
say.
click on add
Add
data
data.
or click here, right? And click on add
Yes.
data. And from here,
Huh?
search SharePoint, right? So this is SharePoint. Now, obviously, you will not be having connections error. You have to click on add connection, click on connect, and it will add your connection, okay, by using OAuth 2. So I already have connection added, so that's why it is not giving me that. So it is very simple, no hard and a fast thing. SharePoint, select the connection, and from here you can select the site where your dataset lies. Okay, so which is the site, guys, where my dataset is?
If September 2025.
Yeah, so September 2025, right? So here is the correct one, because if you see at the last, September 2025 EB2, right? This second site was the one where we created the stuff. So let's select this. Are you able to see the list that you created? Guys, are you able to see the list that you created in SharePoint?
Yes, yes, support request here.
Yeah, select it, click on connect. The moment you will connect, here you go. Your support request is connected with your Canvas app. Clear? Now, let's move ahead and let's start working on the stuff, right? Forms is far away. So before that, now what will be the first screen of your app?
Welcome screen.
Welcome screen.
Welcome screen, right? Or you can say home screen, right?
Yeah.
Let's have it home. Now in home screen, what should be the functionalities that should be there?
App name.
Very good. App name, where it should be there?
Top.
Top. Or we can say, let me save till this. I will click on save. And what should be my app? IT?
IT support.
IT support. Save. Now, guys, obviously, every page will have header, right? Header will tell you what? Like which app it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how to add header? Click on insert, click on text label. Text label is the text control. Okay, so here you go. This is your text label. You expand it to the entire screen. Let me take the properties out of it and I will say what it is. IT
IT support. Support.
support. Control A, IT support. Let me take 30. Normal. Let's go here. Let us make it bold little. And let us give some background color to this. So how to give background color? Here you go. This is the text color. This is the background color. It's very irritating to eyes, right? Let's give some soothing colors. Is it fine? Or this one?
Yes.
Or this one? Or this one?
Mm.
Or this one? Which one you are liking?
Like the lighter colors. Any of the lighter colors.
I think this is good, right? Let's keep it. Anyway, like
Yeah.
when you will be filling it, when you will be creating it, choose a color of your choice. Okay, fine. So now, guys,
Sir,
your
sorry
header
for the interrupt.
is sorry.
Hello. Sorry for the interrupt here. Actually, my screen got stuck. Actually, can you please explain after connecting the SharePoint, what step you did here?
I did nothing. I created home screen and we are creating the header. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Just go through the recording once if you feel like you did not got it or something, but we did not did something, what to say, very crazy here. Created
Yeah.
screen and added it
Sure.
in
Sure.
control.
Thank you.
Okay. So now, guys, what else? What else will be there on the welcome screen?
Menu bar.
Menu bar. Menu bar is nothing what the different page navigations which are there, right? What are the operations that you can perform? That we will add for sure. Anything else? There should be a
Maybe a
customized
username.
message.
Who log in that particular app?
We are not creating login page. This is the home page, not login page, guys. This is the first page of the app, home page. Okay.
Like a message like welcome and then the username. for
Very
instance.
good. Welcome, right? Welcome message. So how you will be adding it? Now let me add from here. This is a text property, right? So I will add from here. Welcome. Now guys, I need to get the username, right? Indrajit Singh. Is it fine? Is there any potential issue with this?
Yes.
What is the issue?
So whenever a new user, when you publish this particular app, whenever a new user is trying to, access this particular app, it will still show welcome Indrajit Singh. It won't show the particular username.
What
You
it
need to
should
make
it
it
should show,
dynamic.
guys, as per you.
It should show the username. Whoever actually logs in this IT support thing, they have to see their particular username.
Everyone agree? Or
Yeah.
you have some other thoughts?
We have to put placeholder instead of enriching.
So basically, we have to figure out how to get the dynamic username of the logged in user, right? That's the what to say requirement.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone with me on the same page? So
Yeah.
guys, for
Yes.
that, you have to use the PowerFX functions, right? So now what is PowerFX? So PowerFX is the expression which is available in Canvas app, as well as in Power Automate, as well as in model driven apps to perform the operations in the Power Platform. So obviously welcome will be static, isn't it? And the name should be dynamic. So you will write a function called as concatenate. You have to concatenate welcome with the username. So guys, there is a function in PowerFX called as user. So if you click on this, click on dot, so you can get the log in user email, object ID, full name, and image. So what you need, guys? In our case,
Full name. Full name.
Full name.
full name, right? So you will click on this and done. Now what will happen? Suppose Scott is logging in. What he will be able to see?
Welcome spot.
Welcome Scott, right? So from where it is taking this full name and all, it is taking from Office 365 directory where you have this stored. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yep.
So you learned two PowerFX function without knowing anything. You learned about user, you learned about concatenate. Okay, so now your next question will be, sir, should we remember everything in PowerFX? Should I by heart everything? Should we go ahead and what to say, remember syntax of every stuff? No. My simple answer is no. You simply go here in Google, write PowerFX MS Talks. Okay. PowerFX formula reference, click on this and search here. So how you will understand, you just have to understand the requirement. Now here the requirement was very clear, right? Welcome will be static and you have to get the dynamic name, right? So now you know, like you have to somehow coincide or concatenate these two terms. So you can simply go here and search for concat. Here you go. Concatenate. Here it will be written in very, very, very simple language. You will be able to see the syntax. Okay. And even with example, they will be explaining. Okay. You don't need to learn even a single formula. The more you will practice, the more you will understand. Okay. So from here, you can refer, keep it bookmark in your browsers. Whenever you are having any issues in the syntax, you are thinking, okay, this function is there or not, simply go ahead here, search here, understand it and use it. Okay, is it making sense?
Yes.
So I will be referring it a lot in the course, so you should also refer it. Okay, this should be the Bible for you for Canvas apps or the Power Platform. Cool. So now, guys, okay, what else? What if I want to show this profile picture also here in the login app? Can I do that? It's a good thing
Yes.
to have.
Yes.
So how you will be adding it? You will click on insert and you will simply get the image stuff. If you can find it by expanding, you can do that. Otherwise, you simply go here, search image. Here you go. It is in media. Media, image, click on image. Here you go. Image is added. You go ahead, align it here. Okay. Now, guys, what you want in the image? Tell me.
Sir, through media we can download the image, right? Whatever image we want.
That you can download. But here, what is the requirement? You want to get the image of the logged in user profile image.
You can browse to the gallery.
Sorry, come again.
You can browse to the gallery. And,
Gallery. How
yeah,
gallery will
Okay.
take it?
you can browse to the gallery and set the image.
No. You are not getting it. The way now, if suppose you are logging into Canvas app, what you will be able to see here? You will be able to see your profile picture here, right? Not mine,
Oh, oh, correct.
right? So downloading or
That's something.
adding it, that is as good as hard coding Indrajit saying, right? You will be able to see all able to see the same image. So here it should be dynamic image. Like suppose Sapna is logging in, she should be able to see her image. Suppose Mahesh is logging in, he should be able to see his image, right? Profile picture. Getting it?
Yes.
So, so any ideas how we can get that?
User function has image property, maybe we can use.
Very good. So you go to the image property here. Okay, click on that. Instead of sample image, you go ahead, replace it with user dot image. Here you go. I don't have any profile pic. That's why I'm not getting it. So once you will use this app, it will take your profile pic and it will be visible here. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes. Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So now guys, suppose you want to add KSR logo also here. So that is the static image, right? So how you will add that? Click on three dots, click on settings. Okay, my bad. Come on. It should be added here in the media. Go to media, add media, upload. Let me see if I have KSR image. Desktop. Here you go. Open. This is the image that we have. Add to canvas. Here you go. This is the watermark KSR Datavision. Clear? Guys, with me.
Mhm.
Are you
Yes,
able to
sir.
see your page is taking the shape now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, Chandra.
So now, guys, what is the next thing? Next thing you were very well said. It should have menu screen, right? So menu we can create buttons. Like one is to create request, view request, right? All those buttons, isn't it? Like how to add buttons? Again, you will click on insert. From here, you can click on button. Here you go. Your button is here, and you can rename this button as text. I want to rename to suppose create new request, right? Here you go. Then I will make it in the same color so that we are having the similar stuff. I think this was the color, right? Yeah. And font color we need to change because it is white and it is looking very odd. Here you go. And after that, you go down, and let's increase the size of text also to 20. Fine. So this is your create new request button. So similarly, you want to have view request button also, right? Control C, Control V. So I don't want to do the formatting again. I can simply copy paste also. So I will change here from create to view request. Okay. So now your buttons are ready. Your page is ready. Now, if someone go here, if someone will click on this, it should go to create new request. It should go to view request, right? Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So your home screen is ready. So now guys, when I was telling you like you should give meaningful name, so are you able to see some issue here? Like suppose in your screen you have 10 button, how you will get to know like which one is create button, which one is request button? You will go ahead, you have to click on everything and then you will be getting to know, right? So that's why like when you give meaningful name to control, it is very easy for the developers, your fellow developer to understand what is happening where. Okay. So you can say view request button. Okay. Similarly, you can rename everything. So if view code, it seems it is not gonna work. Fine, we will see it. So here you have all these things. So now your home screen is ready. So what are the other screens, guys, that you need? What should happen if someone will click on create new request? It's a dead button right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if someone will click on this, they should be able to
Navigate to another page.
they should be navigate to other page, but we don't have any page. So I will go ahead. I will create a new screen that will again be blank screen. I will rename it as create request screen, right? Okay. Guys, are you guys enjoying it or not?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it simple?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
So now guys, next thing next. So what will be the thing here? Here also same thing you have to carry from here, right? These things. So you don't have to create again, just copy everything. This thing and this thing. Control C. Go back here. Control V. Here you go. If you want to change the header of this to create new request, you can do that. Do you want me to change the header of the screen? Or IT support is fine?
It is fine, I guess.
It's fine, I guess.
I think you should probably put like a dash and then create request there so they know what
Yeah.
screen they're on.
Yes. A separate name should be there. Yeah.
Okay. Whatever you say is fine. We can do that. Okay. Dash create request. Let's not add new and all, otherwise it will be huge. The line will huge. Text will increase, right? Fine. Happy?
Yeah.
Cool. Now, guys, next thing is now obviously you will be needing some interface here to create request, right? Isn't it? You will be
Yes,
giving
sir.
should give user option to add the request number. You should give option to user to add other details, right? What are the other details? Do I need to tell you what are the other details which are required to create a request?
Username,
Request
department,
ID.
request ID.
There are a lot, right? Let me navigate to the site. Come on. Support request. Here you go. This is the list, right? These are all the fields that needs to be filled. So what you can do, guys, you will simply go here. click on insert and you use the control which will be input control to take the inputs from the user. So that control is called as form, edit form. Okay. Click on edit form. Now, obviously it will be requesting a source like which you want to fill. I want to fill support request. It will take few seconds. That is expected. Here you go. So now you got the interface to fill everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes. But by default, it has given you only few fields, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now how to edit it? You go ahead, open this properties pane, click on 10 selected. By default, it will select the top 10 thing. Title is not required, right? Remove. Request ID required, mail, department, request type, severity, status, description is required. Now, what are the other fields which were there assigned to? Attachment, you may require it. What else? And it has out of the box attachments also. Let's not have attachments for now. I will tell you how to handle attachments. Then completion date, comments. What else? Content type? No. Employee ID. Location. Manager name. Name. Requested date. Add.
Created by date also we may be required because we'll get to know at which time and date it was requested.
I think we created our own created by date also, right? Requested date. This is created by
Okay,
date
that's
only.
correct.
We will not use the metadata columns. We will use our own columns because metadata columns sometimes they behave very weirdly. Okay, so here you go. You got everything? Okay, name is also not required. Is that the case? Let's get rid of this also. Here you go. So now guys, once everything is filled, user will click on submit button and it should go ahead and create a record. Here you go. Okay. First thing first, you are not able to see anything here. Okay. Let me add the submit button also, and then we will resolve the issues. Button. Again, I would not go ahead and create new button and do everything again. I will instead copy this. Control V. I will place it here somewhere and I will resize it. Fine. Submit. Now guys, this is how the create request for screen will be there. Is it looking good? Are you satisfied with this,
good.
guys?
This is fine.
Okay. Now guys, when I'm going to the play mode, so I'm able to not see any control here. Now what we should do, where we should hit our head, right? So why you're not able to see, guys, you click on the form and here you have lot of properties. This is data source. If you go here, so there will be a property called as display mode. So display mode will tell you in which mode your form should be opened. So can someone guess what can be the different modes of the form?
New
There's a
edit,
new edit and view.
New,
display.
edit, and
View.
view. Very good. New means
View.
you will be creating new record. Edit means editing existing record. View means just viewing the record. So my dear friends, you only tell me which type of mode should be here.
new mode.
I
Very
think a
good.
new mode would be better.
Very good. Very good. It should be new mode. Here you go. Edit new view. So you are creating new record. So it should be new mode. So now the moment you will click on this, here you go. It is resolved, right? Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now guys, I will add everything and I will click on submit button. What will happen?
The data should get stored in the
I
line
will
item.
add here employee ID 1 Indra at the rate KSR Datavision.com. Contact number I will add. I will add department. I will add request type. I will add severity. So now you are getting the difference between choice and other column.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sapna, are you there?
Yes, Indrajit. Indrajit, for contact number, we have to put some conditions, right? It should be 10 digits or something. Did we put or
Yeah,
we no
you
need?
have to. You have to, and I will be asking you what are the improvements that you can do as a software developer. Okay, this is just the beginning.
Okay.
First
Okay.
show. Okay, this is not even the trailer. Okay, this is just the teaser that you're looking at.
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
So I
Fine.
will add everything. Test assigned to suppose Indra. Completion date. This thing. Comments. Test. Employee ID. Suppose 1, 2, 3. Location.
The completion
Delhi.
date is not filtered.
Sorry. Come again.
Completion date is not filtered because we didn't click on OK.
Okay. That happens. Fine. Now, guys, everything is filled. So what should happen when I will click on submit button now?
Nothing will happen with.
There is no functionality behind that created on
Very
the submit
good.
button.
It will
Very
hit an
good.
error.
Very good.
Yeah.
So all of you have already worked on this thing, or you guys are getting it that much that you are able to understand everything beforehand?
No,
No,
Indrajit,
both.
I know Power Apps and model driven app as well as Power Automate.
Okay. What about others?
The same here.
Just
sir.
guessing
Same here,
it.
like
Guessing, right? This is just a common sense. We did not ask
Yeah.
button to do anything, right? It's just a dead button. Did you configure like what should happen when someone will click on that?
Yeah, nothing will happen because it's not a clickable button as of now because there is no
Yes.
code behind that
Very
to
good.
work in.
So how to make it clickable? Select on button and select the on select property. This is the on click property. Okay.
Correct.
As of now, it is false. So what should happen, guys? When someone will click on this, it should
Submit
store
It
the
form.
should
data
prove
to the
Database.
SharePoint, right?
database.
SharePoint.
SharePoint data site.
So the function for that will be submit form and give the form name. Our form name is nothing but form 1. Okay. So once it is submitted, guys, do you want to show some notification also that your request is created successfully or something?
Yes.
Yes,
So how
we
to display the
can.
notification? Let us
Notify
see.
is the function.
Let us see if we have something related to notification. You have something called as notify, right? Click on this.
Yes.
You will be able to see everything related to that. Okay. I will say notify. Okay. And in notify, I have to give the notification. I will say support.
Support request
is submitted successfully. Okay.
Sir,
Then
here
you
one
can.
doubt.
Yes, go ahead.
So what is the difference between notify and notification?
I will tell you. See notification notify first, then notification I'll tell you.
Okay,
By the
sure,
way,
sure.
notification is not a part of PowerFX. Okay. If you see, there is no notification called as in PowerFX. Notification is the function of JavaScript if you have worked on model-driven app.
Okay, got it.
Okay. That's why you are confused. In Canvas app, only one function called as notify. So then you have to define notification type. There can be 4 types of notification: error notification, information notification, success notification, warning notification. So which type of notification this will be?
Yes, successful.
Information.
Information.
Success.
Information.
Success. One
Success,
success.
right? Your operation is getting executed successfully. Only then notification will come. First, this thing will get executed. and then notify will get executed, right? Isn't it, guys?
Correct.
Notification.success. Now, let's click on submit and see. Here you go. Did you got the notification?
Yes, sir.
Let's see
Sir,
if we got the data in the backend or not. Hold on.
Yeah.
I know you will be having questions. I will answer everything. Here you go. Is data added?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, that is it for the day. Now go ahead, whatever doubts you have. And here you have few more things. Like once I click the submit button, it went away, right? So this is a issue that we will resolve in the upcoming session, in the 5th session. Okay. So
I
now
was thinking of the same thing, like, should not the result give us the request ID that has been submitted?
you spoke very fast. Come again.
I was saying, like, I was thinking of the same thing, like, instead of no items to display, should not it display the request ID that has been generated at the backend?
Yeah, it can either do display a request ID or it can display a blank form.
Yeah.
Right. That we will see how we can handle this. So guys, we did a lot of progress, it seems, right? So you have a lot to do. So that is it. Whatever doubts you have, guys, floor is all yours. Go ahead one by one.
Indra, I had one doubt.
Yes, I go ahead.
Yes. Indra, after submitting the form, so is there any option for coming like in the middle of the screen, there is one pop-up, it is submitted or success like that?
You got the notification on the top, right?
No, not like that. In the middle of the
You
screen.
can do that. You can create your custom pop-up. Once it is submitted, you can display that pop-up. Your form is submitted successfully.
What type of functions we have to use?
Again, if I'll tell you, you will not understand that, right? So it is a part of curriculum. Like when we will implement delete functionality, we will be implementing a pop-up there. So you will be getting to know how to implement.
Okay.
There is no specific function there. We will be implementing it with the controls itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, I have one doubt.
Yeah, Navidita, please go ahead.
When you insert a media like a static image, so we can't insert in like you insert it right in media function that in left side 3 dots, but we
Yeah,
can't
correct.
add in like okay.
You
Only dynamic. Okay, sir.
okay? You I got your doubt. Your doubt is like, can't we add it in insert? In insert, you will be able to add the dynamic stuff. Like suppose your image is lying in OneDrive or SharePoint. You want to add the link in the image. You will add the link. It will be visible. Okay. So I added a static image here. So that's why it went into media.
Okay.
So I added both. I added dynamic also. I added static also, right?
Yes, that is why I asked.
Yeah.
Got it. Or any mandatory font type like in Power BI?
Font type.
Like in
Look,
Power BI,
when I used to work for Microsoft, they always recommend Sigoi UI. Okay. So it depends on your client. You go ahead, use that, and then do that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Who is this iPhone 5, guys? Okay.
Can we use this theme as a customized theme?
Satish, ask your question loudly and confidently. I did not got it. What you are saying?
Can we use this theme as a customized theme?
You can.
And one more thing, what is the difference between Power Apps and Microsoft Fabric and Azure Portal? We are seeing all these things.
You did not render the first session, Satish?
No,
Please do that. Please attend that. So you will get to know what is Power Platform. Okay, there is a dedicated 1 hour session where I described everything.
So, Indra, I have a small question.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
So, I just a question in my mind. So is it a mandatory thing that, for example, we are working on a model-driven app? So is it a mandatory thing that we need to stick to with the Dataverse as in database for that?
Yes.
Okay. Is it something that because we need an model for that or?
No, everything that you're able to see in the model-driven app, forms, views, so those are database bound thing. So at the same time, it does not mean you can't create a model-driven app on any other data source that you can create. And the good part is I will be telling you how to create.
Okay. Okay. So that's straightforward thing. We can't use the SharePoint for that, right? Then
Directly you
model.
can't. If you have to use
Okay.
SharePoint, you have to connect your SharePoint with Dataverse and then model-driven app on top of Dataverse.
Okay. And as I'm already working on a Power App, so is this a paid Dataverse or because it seems like a premium it comes with the premium license.
This is the premium license, and Power App is also paid. And you will be getting to know everything. What are the different type of licenses? What is the cost and all? You will not have these doubt. Again, I just want to reiterate once again. After the end of the session, after the end of the module, you will be able to know everything, every feature. What is the difference? What is the cost? How to implement everything? Okay, it is just the beginning, right?
Yes.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Michael.
Tomorrow is the last free session, right?
Yes, tomorrow is the last free session, correct.
On Monday honors, it will continue or we will start fresh classes?
No, it will start from 6th class, not first class.
Okay.
Hi, sir. So in the home screen, you added the welcome one, right? The welcome text label, which you mentioned, where you use the concatenate function for it. Instead of that, we can even without using concatenate also we can use it, right? We'll get the same particular thing, whatever the welcome and Rajat Singh is showing up, even without using concatenate.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so what is the use of concatenate there in that particular thing?
You are saying you will write it directly here.
Yes,
this.
yes. Instead of yes.
We'll keep ampersand.
Yeah, ampersand after user, so that.
Ampersand is what? This is also a concatenate function. Concatenation operator.
Okay. Instead. Okay, got it. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Indraj, I have a little bit information question from your side. No, you remove title field required thing, right?
Yeah.
In SharePoint.
Yeah, I did not use title field, correct.
Yeah, I mean that whenever creating SharePoint, title field is required field it is showing. That's why have you removed it?
No, where it is showing required field.
Not here. When we created SharePoint at the time, title field shows that required field in the SharePoint site.
No.
No.
If it would have been required field, it would not have been let us created the record without title field, right?
Yeah, that's what my question. I thought it is a required field. That's why
it is not a required field. It is just a metadata field.
Oh.
What is metadata now?
Metadata, you don't know what is metadata?
I think so. It's created by system automatic. That is a
Correct.
metadata.
Created by system automatically to identify the row. Like wherever you live, what will be your metadata? Your northwest position coordinates, right?
Correct.
Yeah. What else?
But I have one question here.
Yes, tell me.
Hello. Yeah.
Go ahead.
So yeah, as you means filled all the fields in the required means in the form that you created, and you went to the submit directly. So if in the case if we miss out any of the fields and still it goes and submit. So I just want to do. I was just thinking if we can give a data validation to restrict, it should not allow to submit the record unless until the required field is filled. For example, the
Yeah,
name,
we
email
will be
ID.
making it in the upcoming classes, Saurabh. So this is just I would say the basic form that we had, right?
Okay,
So
but then
tomorrow we
fine.
will start with this thing only. I will ask you what are the improvements that you can think of that we can make in this form.
Okay. No, I just one person said no required field is there, so I just pop up in my mind.
Mm-hmm. You are in right direction.
Yeah.
Hi, Indra.
I say
Hello.
go ahead.
Yes. This is not related to today's class. No? This is related to like, will you covering the Microsoft Fabric in this Power Apps course?
No.
I think I saw somewhere in the brochure, so that's why I'm asking.
If that is a thing, might be some confusion. You should get the team, let the team know. They will edit it. Fabric,
Okay.
we have different codes altogether, and that is a totally different domain.
Okay.
That is data analyst domain. This is low code, no code.
Okay.
So one question. So we have seen in Power BI, like in the Excel also, format painter, which will give us editing easily. So do we have a such feature available here, like so that it will be easy to
No,
do that
copy paste.
editing and coloring part?
Copy paste, copy paste.
Yeah, no copy paste here.
Yeah. Copy paste, or you can create reusable components that you will be seeing. That is advanced topic. Okay. What else? Saurav, are you already enrolled student? Saurav, are you there? Okay. Question for Farhad, Manish, Naveen, Nivedita, Sai, Scott, Sapna, Ramesh, Rashmi. Are you guys good with still previous session? Have you practiced everything? Everything is set up?
Yes, I practiced in the yesterday session.
It is
Yes,
on
sir.
track?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I have created.
Cool. And all the people who will be enrolling over this weekend, you will be getting your credentials. I want each one of you to complete everything before joining the class on Monday. Okay? Is it clear? Expectation is clear?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So, guys, we have 3 more minutes. If you have anything, you can go ahead. Otherwise, we can meet tomorrow at the same time and we will carry it forward from the point where we left.
Indrajit, I have some, career related doubts. So, is there anyone whom I can talk one on one for just 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, you can talk with our coordinators. So if you are not satisfied with their answer, you can get in touch with our admin lead here, Mahesh. So he can help you there. Or you
And
can
can I get his contact details now?
you can have you got in touch with any of the coordinator?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Just call them and you can get contact number from them.
Sure. Yeah.
I
Thank
have
you.
given you one number in the yesterday's class, right? You can take that, call it, and do that.
Got it. Sure. Thanks.
Thank you. Satish, do you want to say something?
Yeah, hi Indra, good evening. Yeah.
Good evening, bro.
Hello. Yeah, hi team. Anyone have career-related doubts for one-on-ones, like a clarification? Please take my number or Mahesh number. We will clarify your desk, like a doubts clarification.
Yeah, sure.
And Satish, can you please check the brochure that we are sharing with the students? They are saying Microsoft Fabric is written in Power Platform. So we need to update it.
Okay, sure. I'll check that thing.
Sure. Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Manish, please go.
Sir, I just have one simple question. The thing is that it's not related to the today's class. So you like the alignment whenever we click on that preview, right? We see the alignment whatever we have done properly in the screens. So if
Yeah.
we publish it, the alignment won't be the same because I tried one of the Power App, building a simple one. So there, the alignment was not good. But if you see in the preview, all the alignments which we have done in the screen would
Check
appear
in the
as.
settings scale to fit. It should be turned off or on.
Okay.
Yeah. It is due to that.
Okay, got it.
Cool. What else? Okay, guys, if nothing else, so I will give you guys 2 minutes back. So let's meet again tomorrow at 7 p.m. for the last free preview session. And that's it for the day. Have a good day ahead. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.